Let's draw a cute cat. Step 1. Start with the head. Begin by drawing a slightly rounded shape for the cat's head. It can be like an oval, but not a perfect one. Step 2. Add ears. On top of the head, draw 2 small triangles for the cat's ears. You can make them pointy or round, depending on the style you prefer. Step 3. Draw the face. In the center of the head, draw 2 big, round eyes. Add pupils inside the eyes to make them look more expressive. Below the eyes, draw a small, triangular nose, and then add a curved line below the nose for the mouth. Step 4. Create the body. Draw another oval from the head to create the cat's body. Keep the body relatively big compared to the head for a better look. Step 5. Add legs. Draw 4 rectangles below the body to represent the cat's legs. Step 6. Include paws. At the end of each leg, draw small oval shapes for the cat's paws. Step 7. Draw the tail. Extend a long, curved line from the back of the cat to create its tail. You can make the tail fluffy or smooth, depending on your preference. Step 8. Add whiskers and details. Draw 3 or 4 whiskers on each side of the cat's face. You can also add some fur details by drawing short, curved lines on the body. Now the basic structure is over. Step 9. Erase and clean up. Now is the time to erase unwanted lines to clean up your drawing. Step 10. Color or decorate. Once the drawing is complete, you can have fun coloring their cat using crayons, colored pencils, or markers. You can choose any colors they like and even add patterns or designs. Now you can draw a cute cat. Thanks for watching. Goodbye, baby birds.